What's up? No, I'm joking. You ever seen The Office? There's an episode like. So, like I was saying with the deionizer, this is what we use right here. We have a couple different ones. We have 2 of these. This is our smaller unit. This is one we keep in the trucks and in the vans. And so this guy does about 500 gallons worth of water, and yeah, it just cleans it. So we put the water hose into this guy. It's a little quick connect right here we have. Right there, quick connects in there. Super easy, and then we'll stick this guy, the end of this, into the water tank right there, and boom, we're good to go. It gives you spotless water. Now, if you're going to be doing a vehicle, like a full detail, and they have those carpet fender wells, you gotta be careful with the deionized, because the deionized, you know, it's expensive water. It's expensive. So every month we're spending, with both vans, we spend about $200 for the deionized water. And so you want to always make sure that you're being efficient with it. Yeah, and just using it to the best of your abilities. And when I say that, you know, something that we're able to do with the, let's see if we have it in here. No, we don't have it in there. But if you take one, Chris, where's the scrub brush? The Jax one? That big one? Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just tell me, man.
It's right under there somewhere.
Oh, it's right here. So you take something like this brush right here, and those plastic wells. Typically what we'll do is rinse them off a little bit, or you can foam them a little bit, you know, and then take this and scrub them. Or if you have the smaller brush too, you can use that one. I've even seen people cut these, you know, like cut them in half, so you have a little bit, some of those are, you know, a little bit tighter. But yeah, just kind of scrub underneath here. It's like that a little bit. You know, we've already washed this one, but that's all you really need to do after you foamed it. And what that's going to do is break up some of that dirt. And so whenever you're going through, it's a lot more efficient getting that dirt out of there. You're not using as much water. You know, you got to make sure you're going from top, you know, to bottom. Don't go bottom to top. You're just going to waste water pushing the dirt up. You know, always work your way from top and then work your sides. It's just going to save the most water, because that typically eats up the most water when it comes to detailing. Besides mud's a little bit different. We'll work that one a little bit differently, but when it comes to detailing, that typically takes up the most water. And so when you're using this unit, it's phenomenal, because right now, you know, in theory, we could probably wash 2 or 3 cars at once, and we're not going to leave any water spots. Or on a hot day when it's 100 degrees outside, we don't have to worry about water spots on the window. If we're washing a black vehicle like that one right there, then we don't have to worry about water spots on the paint. Just makes life a lot easier. And your water's cleaner. If you've ever used deionized water, you know what I'm talking about, but the water just feels cleaner. I would drink it. I would drink it. I have drinking it, actually.
Care to elaborate?
It was good. It tasted like no minerals. Exactly like it was. Okay, so I would look into zero water. I think you can get them at Target. You can get on Amazon, but zero water, it's better than Brita filters, I promise. And so you can test, well, the reason I say that, it comes with a little water test. And so it comes out to 0. And so definitely test your water. You're probably not drinking clean water, but you get the 0 water, drink that water, and that's what our water tastes like.